Oh, hi, and I'm here at dinner. This is me.
That's
and
tilapia.
This is my dinner, guys. The meat. And before that, I had some pizza. Yum 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 yum. That's my brother that said yum 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 yum. And that's outside. And last night there were more waves than outside, like twice as much, maybe 3 times as much. I don't know. And I got some water here and lemonade. And this is a picture of Hollywood. Yeah, have the water. Probably. And here's some bread.
Oh, I see, yeah.
And some water.
Put it in this one.
And some stuff. Drink. I don't know what that is called. But, that's it.